Choosing the right business organization under Nigerian law. What keeps an economy alive? Is it money? Is it government? Or is it something deeper, something more fundamental? Think about this. If every bank shut down tomorrow, if factories stopped producing, if telecom networks went silent, if farms, hospitals, refineries, hotels, and construction sites all disappeared, would the economy survive? The answer is simple. No. Because businesses are the backbone of every economy. From banking and finance to insurance and agriculture. From telecommunication and technology to refining and manufacturing. From oil and gas to power and infrastructure. From real estate to hospitality and construction. From shipping, aviation, and maritime to mining, pharmaceuticals, and healthcare services. Every sector you can imagine runs on businesses. No economy thrives without business organizations of various kinds, operating in various industries, at various scales. Small businesses, medium enterprises, large corporations. Each plays a critical role in the economic development of every nation. Business cannot operate anyhow. Every economy has laws governing how businesses are formed, registered, and operated. And in Nigeria, business operations are regulated both by general laws and industry-specific laws. But standing at the center of it all is one major statute. The Companies and Allied Matters Act, 2020, simply known as CAMA 2020. CAMA prescribes how business organizations must be formed, defines the types of business organizations that can exist, lays down registration requirements, regulates their operations, governance, and compliance obligations. In other words, CAMA determines how your business is legally born, how it lives, and how it must behave. CAMA is divided into several parts. Parts B to E deal with business organizations, entities formed to carry on legitimate, profit-making activities. Part F, however, deals with incorporated trustees. And incorporated trustees are not business organizations. They are non-profit organizations. This distinction is critical, because profit-making businesses and non-profit organizations do not play by the same rules. What can you register under Companies and Allied Matters Act? What options can you actually register under the Nigerian law? What registrable options are available under CAMA 2020? There are 7 registrable options under the Companies and Allied Matters Act 2020. They are sole proprietorship, business names, partnerships, general partnership, limited partnership, limited liability partnership, companies limited by shares, private, public, companies limited by guarantee, private, public, unlimited companies, private, public, incorporated trustees. Do all these options serve the same purpose? Absolutely not. Every organization in Nigeria must fall under one of these 7 options. Only 6 of them can be used to carry on or engage in business activities. Incorporated trustees cannot. They exist strictly for non-profit purposes, charities, foundations, religious bodies, professional associations, NGOs. This leads us to the most important question of all. How do you choose the right business organization for your enterprise? Because choosing wrongly can mean any of the following: personal liability, regulatory sanctions, inability to raise capital, operational restrictions, or even business failure. So what should guide your choice? Stay tuned. If you learnt a thing or two, give this video a like, share and subscribe to the channel. You can also turn on the notification bell to get notified when the next video goes live. Join us in the next video as we discuss the factors to consider before choosing a business organization.